Hi, today we will walk you through installing WordPress on your local machine using XAMPP, allowing you to build your website directly on your computer. Firstly, head to the official website of Apache Friends to download XAMPP. Once downloaded, install the software. Since I have already downloaded XAMPP, I won't repeat the process. Next, let's download WordPress. While we wait for the WordPress setup to download, let's launch XAMPP and start both the Apache Web Server and MySQL database server. Let's begin by starting web server. Once it's up and running, you can type localhost into your browser's address bar to confirm that the dashboard loads successfully. As websites, especially WordPress websites, require a database to function, we also need to start the MySQL server. Next, let's navigate to htdocs folder within the XAMPP directory. In my case, XAMPP is installed in the documents folder, but yours may be in different location like C drive or some other folder. Inside the htdocs folder, you will create a new folder named after your website. I will name my website as My Store, so I will create the folder and name it as My Store. Now let's create the database for our website. Click on phpMyAdmin on the dashboard to access MySQL. Here we will create a database where our WordPress website data will be stored. Okay, now that the WordPress setup is downloaded, let's copy it to our website folder in htdocs and extract the files. After extracting the files, we will move them out of the WordPress folder into our website folder. And you can delete this WordPress folder. Now let's go to our browser and type localhost/mystore into address bar. MyStore is the name of our website folder. Make sure both Apache and MySQL server are running. The WordPress installation process will begin here. Select your preferred language and continue. Since we have already created the database named MyStore with the default username root and no password, we can simply click Let's Go. Enter the database name and username. Leave everything else as default and click Submit, then click Run Installation. Provide the site title, username, password, and email if desired. Search engine visibility doesn't matter as we are on our local machine. Click Install WordPress. And it's success. You can now log into your WordPress dashboard using the username and password you provided earlier. Let's click Login and enter our credentials. And there we are in the WordPress dashboard. Here you can see the status of your WordPress website and explore various options on the left side for posts, media, pages, appearance, plugins, and more. That's all for now. I hope you were able to successfully install WordPress on your local machine using XAMPP. Stay tuned to our channel to learn more about WordPress and keep building your website step by step.